In this video, I'll show you how to make a cover letter on your laptop. First, open your web browser. Go to Canva. In the search bar, type cover letter. Press enter. Browse the available cover letter templates. Choose a template you like. Replace the sample text with your own information. Enter your full name and contact details. Add the employer's name and company if you know them. Write a short introduction. Explain why you are applying for the job. Highlight your skills and experience. Write a short closing paragraph. Review your cover letter for any spelling or grammar mistakes. Click Share. Select Download. Choose PDF Standard as the file type. Click Download. Wait for Canva to generate the PDF file. Open File Explorer. Go to the Downloads folder. Your cover letter will be saved there. That's it. This is how you can make a cover letter on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.